We use it in everyday life. And, you know, Angie Fenton and I are like brother and sister. In fact, we love the same song. It's our favorite song of all time. It's by Thomas Dolby. Science! See, I said that too. We've got folks in from the Nutty Scientists. Actually, Josh is the son of Scott. Last name is Wisniewski.
Yes, sir.
Close enough. Welcome. Glad to have you in.
Thank you.
Tell us about Nutty Scientists. What is that?
Nutty Scientists, we are a science and education and entertainment franchise. We have 14 in the U.S., 200 around the world. We do science education for kids. We like to spark the imagination between ages of 3 and 13.
That's fun. Well, I'm a little older than your age limit right there, but I'm interested. But Josh, I just have to ask you, I saw you before we went on camera handling this back here, and I can at least hold that up a little bit to the camera, but I'm not supposed to touch that. Is that correct?
Yes.
Why? What will happen?
If you touch it, it will probably burn your skin or give you frostbite.
That's not going to be fun. Okay, but what is making this happen here?
When the dry ice, it skips one stage from melting. It doesn't go to water. It just immediately evaporates once it gets out of its container.
And Scott, why is that? Because of the intense freezing process of dry ice?
Dry ice it's frozen carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Right? So it wants to go back to its natural state of a gas. So it skips the melting part. It goes right from a solid to a gas, and that's called sublimation.
All right.
Okay,
and we use science in everyday life. We just don't realize it.
Right.
All right.
The way that goes. All right, you going to put on a little project for us here today, gentlemen?
Yes, yes. So, you know, Christmas is coming up, and everybody likes to leave cookies for Santa.
Yeah.
Why not?
We're a little different in science. We like to leave gack or slime for Santa. That's even better because why? Because he gets to play with that age. He's running, flying all over in his sleigh. So it's very easy to make. What we have here is a mixture of school glue. It's 1 part school glue, 1 part water.
Okay.
And you add that in. So we'll just go ahead and do a little
just throw it all in there.
Looks like curdled milk.
Yes.
Right.
Then what we want to do is we got to make it red for Santa.
That makes sense.
Yes.
Josh, does Santa usually leave you played with goo?
No.
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 He takes it with him, doesn't he?
Yes.
Mrs. Claus wants that.
And what this is just borax and water.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to add this in, and then you're going to start seeing it congeal. You know, so what we're doing is it's actually taking the polymers that's in the school glue, and it's intertwining them. So what it's doing is it's tightening them up. So as you add more liquid, what it does is it starts to tighten up more and more and become kind of a chemical reaction, changing its state from a liquid to a solid.
Do you mind going back on the word borax? What is that?
Borax. So as you well know,
a soap.
It's a soap. All that is, it's a powdered soap.
Okay, so do you need that specifically, powdered soap?
Yeah.
Because borax is a particular chemical element?
It's like a PVA, so it's a polyvinyl alcohol. So what it does is it's a powder.
Okay.
And that's what you need is you need to mix the powder and the whatchamacallit, in the water together to make a mixture.
Boy, that really gelled up quickly, didn't it?
Terry, don't you want to put that in your hand?
That looks
and
like
as you can see.
And that turns into a great slime.
Josh and I play with some.
We're
ready, right,
great
Josh?
slime.
And that's non-toxic, so you can play with that and have a good time.
You can play with that, yes. We have a lot of kids that come to the lab we have in Elizabethtown, Kentucky, in the mall. That we have our lab, and they come in and they make this all day long.
Oh, that looks like fun. You notice I'm keeping my hands down here, Scott, because I don't want that.
Terry loves this messy stuff. Josh, do you play with this? Like, we probably don't throw it at people, right? That's probably not a good idea.
You don't throw it, but you can shape it into a ball, and you
can hold yours up. Hold yours up. You're doing a better job than I am.
Into a ball, you can bounce it.
Oh, this is good.
We can color that. We can color that like ground beef and turn that into fake burgers as a good prank in the summertime.
Oh, yes, you could. Yes, you
could. Hey guys, we appreciate the slime lesson on there. I'll just keep my hands right here on the counter. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much. The Nutty Scientists are located in Elizabethtown, 1704 Dixie Highway.
And find out more about them online, nuttyscientist.com, or call 270-723-1668. Don't you sign me!